G'day everybody, it's Remi here from KickAss Products. Now today, I get to take you through something really exciting, our 105 Ultra Slim. Now this battery is super unique, super slimline, heap of mounting options. We're going to take you through how our customers use it and the best ways of tips and tricks to get it into your next build. We'll take you through a bit more detail today. Alright guys, so now heaps of our customers ask us, why do we go lithium? Now there's a heap of reasons, I'm going to take you through a couple quickly. So one of them obviously, and the key one, is weight. So these things are considerably lighter. GVM is a massive concern whenever we travel, whether we've got canopies, full drives, irrespective of what you take with you, it's weight. You know, we need to be careful of what we're taking with us so that we can take more of what we actually want. The next one's obviously a usable capacity. When we're talking about an AGM, you've only got 50% of the usable capacity. So if we've got a 120 amp hour AGM, your safe limit is only 50% of that battery. So 60 amp hours out of that unit. These guys are 80%. So considerably more usable capacity for when you're out and about. Of course, the next topic we've got to talk about is faster recharge rates. Obviously with AGM batteries, we've got an absorption factor to take into consideration. So we can't just keep smashing power into those batteries because they're going to heat up quite a bit. When we're looking at a lithium battery, they can absorb a heck of a lot more power and discharge a heck of a lot quicker as well. So we just got a lot more power that we can cram in there and a lot more power we can take out a lot safer, a lot quicker, a lot easier for you guys when you're out there traveling, enjoying your time away. Obviously, when we come into maintenance, traditionally, if you go all the way back to your lead acid batteries, you've got to keep topping those up with water, keep them hydrated, keep them working the way that they need to. Talk about a lithium battery, there is no maintenance. The only time you're ever going to touch that battery is when you put it in, and of course, when you take it out, when it finally comes to end of life, which is a heck of a lot longer than what any AGM battery is in the market space today. Hopefully this clears up a few of the misconceptions out there for you guys. Now, something that's unique about this battery is the ultra slimline design. Now guys, these things are super slim. You can fit these behind seats, you can fit them under drawers, you can fit them in all sorts of really unique locations that you otherwise wouldn't be able to put your power system in, saving you guys some space, obviously saving some weight because we're dealing with lithium. They're all around a really good solution for all of your applications. All right guys, now we're going to take you through obviously the key and the heart of every lithium battery that's offered in the KickAss range, and that's the safety features of the BMS. Now these battery management systems are there to safeguard that battery if it ever has a fault internally, if it gets overcharged, over discharges, any cells have an issue, or the temperature exceeds what it should. These safeguards are in place to stop that battery from operating in such a case. When this does happen, you obviously need to restart that battery and get it going again. Get into contact with us. We'll talk you through obviously what's gone wrong with it, how to fix it, what we need to do next. Never worry about what that battery is going to do. All these safety protections are in place to stop that battery from ever having an issue that's going to cause you to have an issue while you're traveling or to cause you any risk or harm. Now that we've decided we're going to install the 105, let's have a quick look at just how easy it is to actually get this battery installed into whatever application you need. So really quickly and easily, we've got the brackets here. We can bolt that guy down to wherever it needs to be, whether that's the back wall of your car, underneath your drawers, wherever it's hiding. Obviously that super slim design got heaps of mounting options. The simplicity then comes into it from the DC to DC standpoint. So obviously our DC to DCs, they come with the Anderson points already on them. Makes it super easy for your install. In this application, we're going to bolt that DC to DC down, plug our output directly into the in-out of the 50 amp Anderson plugs on the battery here. We've obviously then got our Anderson input there. Super easy to wire up if we're doing that from our vehicle. 3-pin connection kit that we already offer to you guys. And then from there, we've just got our solar, which is left loose here. Any unregulated solar panel, you can connect that one straight into it. That's effectively the battery installed, the charging componentry connected to the unit. Super simple, very easy for any customer to be able to get out there and do that all on their own. From there, we've then got our larger Anderson outputs down the bottom here. Now, these are designed for our inverter applications. So you can run a 1000-watt inverter directly off that unit, which for most people is enough if you're not taking all of the big luxury items from home. So your air fryers, your induction cookers and things like that. Obviously, they're a larger power draw item. It's going to need around 2000 watts. 1000-watt inverter that we're using here, still charge your laptop, still charge up all your devices while you're out and about. Really quick and easy. You've obviously got the Anderson plugs there, so plug in that guy straight in, put the inverter directly next to it, and away you go. Super easy installation, guys. Really neat and tidy solution there. Just wanted to give everybody a closer look at what we've got going on here. So obviously we've got two 50 amp in and out Anderson plugs at the top here. So we're taking one up from our charge source here. Our other one's still left spare, so we can take that off to our loads, any distribution we need to do. From there, we've actually got the USB plugs on here, so USB-A and USB-C directly on the unit itself. We've got the 12-volt cigarette socket plug there, so you can plug directly into that with anything you might need. Obviously, we've got our RJ connector, which we've spoken about before with the remote display at the top. And then, of course, our larger Anderson plugs down the bottom here, which are for our 100 amp output for our 1000-watt inverters. So just for our larger load applications there. Alrighty, so now that we've got the battery, we've figured out what we're doing with it, we've installed it. Now we want to know, how do we keep track of this battery? Now, there's a couple of really quick and easy ways. Obviously, we've got a built-in Bluetooth app with these guys. You can display everything you need to on your phone. You've got your voltage, you've got got your state of charge, you got your amperage in and out, and your powers in watts, whatever you need to see there. You can also view multiples on the single display if you've got multiple batteries. Bunch of different options there, guys. Gives you even more details. Absolutely brilliant. The simplest way that we can monitor our batteries is obviously directly through our RJ45 connector here. So simple plug coming straight up to our remote display up here. You can display this basically anywhere within the vehicle. From there, we can obviously see the same details as we see on the app, but directly on the display there. So, you know, when we're traveling, we don't always want to have our phones on us. Nice remote display, super easy, really quick to keep track of your system, know exactly where you're up to. I hope this has helped you guys to understand a little bit more about our 105 Ultra Slim. Now, if you've got any questions, always reach out to the KickAss products team. We're more than happy to answer any questions you might have and help you guys out to get out there and enjoy yourselves. Thanks a lot, eh?